Now we are starting with Nicad cell. So let's see what exactly the construction is. Well, they don't ask much about it, but let's just see the construction. Now there are three ways by which the cell is represented. If you see, this looks like normal dry cell. Okay, but inside the content is very much different from dry cell. If you see, there is a cap here on the top. This entire thing is a steel case which is plated with nickel, and there is positive plate, a separator, and a negative plate. Now the best diagram is this, which gives us clear idea. Now please pay attention. This particular thing is actually a cadmium plate, but there is hydroxide, a base present in it. So cadmium undergoes oxidation, and then this cadmium ion combines with OH minus of a base, and ultimately it becomes a layer of cadmium hydroxide. Can you see a small net type of thing? These are porous separator, means the partition is done. And inside here, there is a nickel oxide, and the nickel oxide combined with water becomes nickel hydroxide. I repeat, please remember, in nickel cadmium battery, we are using nickel oxide and cadmium. But when the reaction happens, they are in the form of hydroxide. Now, we will see how exactly it is going to help in generation of electricity. Okay, it is a secondary cell, means you can recharge it, and this particular cell is having a long life because we are using NaOH or KOH. So the electrolyte which is used is basic. Fine. Now let's see the reaction. The cell reaction at anode. So I told you the cadmium which is there, actually it becomes cadmium ion by losing 2 electron, and then this cadmium ion combines with OH minus to form cadmium hydroxide. So this is anodic reaction. Now we see next reaction. Reaction at cathode. We know at cathode reduction takes place. I already told you the cathodic material is nickel oxide. Here nickel has +4 oxidation state. So nickel hydroxide comes in contact with water. Now when you say it is coming in contact with water, how is it forming nickel hydroxide? We know it's a metal oxide, and we have studied metal oxide when reacts with water gives hydroxide. So we get this. Can you tell me the charge of nickel here? It's +2. Means from +4 it has become +2. So charge got reduced and liberation of OH minus happens. So if you actually see overall reaction for this, what will it be? This will get cancelled, means ultimately it will be cadmium with nickel oxide with 2 water molecules. From where this water molecule is coming? Well, we have used a basic solution. So definitely it is going to use water from there. Okay. Now we see the net reaction. This is the net reaction they have given. What all to be memorized in this? Who is anode? Who is cathode? What is the nature of the solution here. EMF of this particular battery is 1.4. Okay, fine. So please remember its EMF is 1.4 volt. That